Starting a multi-purpose steam cleaner venture is one of the smartest service-based opportunities available today. It's economical, in high demand, eco-friendly, and versatile for homes, offices, vehicles, restaurants, hotels, and industrial spaces. As people grow more health-conscious and environmentally aware, steam cleaning stands out as an efficient method to clean, sanitize, and disinfect without harsh chemicals. A multi-purpose steam cleaner employs high-temperature steam to eliminate dirt, grease, stains, bacteria, mold, and germs from nearly any surface. You can use one machine to thoroughly clean floors, carpets, sofas, mattresses, curtains, kitchens, bathrooms, car interiors, tiles, grout, windows, and appliances. This versatility allows you to offer a range of services while minimizing equipment needs, thus keeping startup and operational costs low. The wide market appeal adds to the attractiveness of this business. Homeowners want safe, chemical-free cleaning for their kids and pets. Businesses need professional sanitation in offices, shops, gyms, and restaurants. Car owners seek detailed interior cleaning without soaking their fabrics. Property managers and Airbnb hosts require efficient turnover cleaning. With just one steam cleaner, you can cater to all these clients and create multiple income streams. Startup requirements are simple. A reliable multi-purpose steam cleaner, basic cleaning tools, access to water, and a strong work ethic are all that's needed. There's no need for expensive chemicals, extensive training, or large spaces, making it ideal for first-time entrepreneurs, side hustlers, and mobile cleaning businesses. You can work from home while traveling to clients, lowering overhead and maximizing earnings. From a business perspective, steam cleaning offers high perceived value. Customers appreciate the visible results, sanitized surfaces, eliminated odors, and fresh scents, which motivates them to pay premium prices. Regular clients like offices, restaurants, and property managers create consistent revenue, leading to ongoing stability and growth for your business. Marketing this business is straightforward. Highlight key benefits like chemical-free cleaning, deep sanitation, quick drying, and eco-friendly services. Use before and after images, social media videos, and referrals to attract customers. Once you establish trust, growth becomes easier. Consider expanding your number of machines, hiring additional staff, or offering specialized services like mattress sanitizing, car detailing, or post-construction cleaning. In conclusion, launching a multi-purpose steam cleaner business is a low-risk, high-potential opportunity that meets current cleaning demands. This venture combines technology, sustainability, and practicality into one powerful service. With the right strategy, consistent quality, and effective marketing, it can transform from a small endeavor into a dependable, scalable source of income, while promoting cleaner, healthier environments for everyone.